Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. The Department of Home Affairs has publicly confirmed commencement of the pathway that allows all holders of TSS Subclass 482 visas to obtain permanent residency through the Employer-Nominated Scheme Subclass 186 visa, building on the statement made earlier this year. We'll walk you through each of the key points of this update in this video. The date for making adjustments to the employer-sponsored permanent residency program has been announced by the Department of Home Affairs for November 25, 2023. Short-term holders of temporary skill shortage 482 visas will be eligible for permanent residency via the 186 temporary residence transition stream of the Employer Nomination Scheme following the implementation of the amendments. This implies that all holders of TSS Subclass 482 visas will have a pathway to permanent residency, irrespective of whether they are sponsored in a position included on the Regional Occupation List, ROL, long-term, MLTSSL, or short-term, STSOL, lists. What is changing? Employers and employees are inconvenienced by the existing system, which places restrictions on the number of applications that holders of short-term stream TSS visas may file within Australia. The upcoming modifications are intended to remove these restrictions, allowing holders of TSS visas with the short-term stream to submit all of their applications in Australia. This constitutes a considerable improvement, decreasing interruptions and offering a more predictable route to permanent residency for these workers. TRT stream nominations are subject to a number of constraints under the existing system, one of which is that the suggested occupation must correspond with listings of skilled occupations. Before submitting an application for permanent residency, holders of Subclass 482 visas must have worked for their sponsoring employer for at least 3 years in the designated role. The new law would shorten the 3-year application window for permanent residency through the TRT stream and eliminate the nominated occupations comparison to a skilled occupation list. Summary of the changes. The following is a detailed summary of the changes to be implemented. For Subclass 482 visa applications. 1. Applications for TSS visas under the short-term stream may now be submitted in Australia. 2. There will be no more restrictions on the quantity of short-term stream TSS applications that holders of valid visas may file in Australia. 3. Holders of short-term stream TSS visas whose visas expire on or before November 25, 2023, are required to leave Australia in order to submit their short-term stream TSS application. For Subclass 186 TRT nomination applications. 1. All TSS visa streams, including the labor agreement and short-term streams, can now be nominated for permanent residency by employers. 2. Prior to nomination, applicants for visas must have held their Subclass 482 or Subclass 457 visa for 2 of the previous 3 years. 3. Prior to nomination, candidates for a visa must have held a position with their sponsoring company for 2 of the previous 3 years. 4. The Australian and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupations, ANZSCO, will still need to identify the nominated occupation. It will no longer be evaluated against a skilled occupation list. For Subclass 186 TRT visa applications. 1. Change in the age exemptions for high earners 45 years of age and older and prospective regional medical practitioners in order to create a 2-year pathway that is more efficient. 2. Phase out of COVID-19 age exemptions, which will no longer be valid when the 2-year route is put into place. The upcoming TSS and TRT visa stream amendments by the Australian government are a big step in the direction of giving skilled workers a quicker and easier route to permanent residency. These reforms, which are slated to take effect on November 25, 2023, are intended to provide stability for TSS visa holders and businesses. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.